Nicole as Mrs. Claus. Welcome to my Advents Calendar series. Today is December 4th. Today we're making a super easy Christmas tree ornament. I call it the Tinsel Ornament. We again take 3, oops, let's do it this way. We'll take out 3 of our balls. These are iridescent balls, by the way. I just thought that might be a little bit nicer. I thought the iridescent balls might be a little bit nicer than just clear balls. We'll take the top off, and then we will carefully feed in some tinsel. I have here silver tinsel, gold tinsel, and blue silver tinsel. The tinsel came from Michael's, and these balls came from Hobby Lobby. I'm sure either way you would find those items at either places. I'm thinking I should have maybe gotten some mini tinsels instead of the big tinsel, but we'll see what we can do with this, if we can get it in. Oops. Let me go ahead and just cut off a piece so I don't have the weight of the entire tinsel hanging on here. I'm just going to cut off a random piece. I can always make it shorter later, but I do think that this should be plenty for that little ball here. Let's see if I can get it in. We will just gently keep stuffing. Let me speed that up for you so you don't have to sit through the entire thing. Ta-ta! It's all in there. It's nice and fluffy like I wanted it. It's beautiful. Now let's try to do the same for the other colors. I have the silver here. Let's find an end. Here we go. Oh, this one has little snowflakes too. We'll see how we can fit that in. I may have to cut the snowflakes off, actually. We'll see. We'll play it by ear. Here's the next one, and let's shove it in. I lost my scissors. Here they are. I think I'm getting better at this now. Oh no! I was gonna say I learned how hard I can push, but I just broke this one. Oh no. Okay, well this one I will not do. I was going too fast, that's what happened. I thought I could be a little bit faster now that I know the system, but unfortunately, those balls are breakable. I did not get cheapo plastic balls. I got the pretty shiny breakable ones. So let's see if I can be a little bit more gentle this time. And I will most likely speed this up for you so you don't have to sit through the whole thing. And this one, look at that. I think we'll stick that in too. Go ahead. You can make it. Oh, here we go. It took a little while, but it is worth it. It's so glittery and pretty. I really do like it. Let's do one more. We don't have the gold one yet. So let's find the beginning of the gold. I went the wrong way. Whee! Here we are. That feels nice and thick too. Yeah, as a little advice to me when you're doing the same craft, use some mini tinsel. It makes it much easier. I just got the wrong tinsel, but it's okay. I'm making it work because I want to. Here we are. Look at our pretty gold one. I like it. I'm happy with it. It was hard work. If I make more in the future, I will definitely get smaller tinsel. Let me attach a little ball to this. Oops. And yeah. I hope you get to make those too, or get inspired to do something like that. Here we go, sparkly little tinsel balls.